Hello, let us analyze 5 Agile related PMP questions. Here is the question number 1. What is the key benefit of using a time-boxed iteration in Agile? What is the key benefit of using time-boxed iteration in Agile methodologies? The first answer, it guarantees that all project deliverables are completed on time. Answer B, it ensures that the scope is fixed and will not change. And option C, it allows teams to focus on delivering the highest value features within a fixed period. And option D, it helps manage the overall project schedule by focusing only on critical tasks. Here, the correct answer is it allows teams to focus on delivering the highest value features within a fixed period. So, typically in Scrum, the iterations are time boxed into 30-day cycles or lesser than 30-day cycles. We call it as a sprint in Scrum. The general agile term is the iteration. And we prioritize features into these iterations. So we have a product backlog, and from the product backlog, we prioritize features into the iterations. And we prioritize on 2 parameters. One is the value to the customer, and the second one is the risk involved. The primary focus is delivering value to the customer. So we prioritize and we give top priority for those high value features which can be delivered to the customer at the earliest, so that the return on investment or on the new product can be speeded up. The second aspect is the risk element. If some features are highly risky, then we want to do it upfront so that we get more time for risk management. So here, the most correct answer is it allows teams to focus on delivering their highest value features within a fixed period. Time boxing allows to prioritize features. So let us move to question number 2. In an agile project, what is a backlog? Backlog, a list of issues that need to be resolved during the project. Option number B, a list of features, enhancements, bug fixes, and tasks that the team works on in the future. A record of project milestones. And option number D, a report that describes project status to stakeholders. So which of these is the correct answer in your opinion? Maybe you can note it down somewhere before we see the correct answer. So the correct answer is a backlog refers to a list of features, that is new features, enhancements, bug fixes, and tasks that the team works on in the future. So when we talk about backlog, there are 2 types of backlogs in Scrum. One is the product backlog, that is the master list of all the features that may or may not get into the product. That is the product backlog. Then we prioritize, we do a release planning, and then we prioritize into sprints. So whatever we have committed to deliver within a sprint, that becomes the sprint backlog. So a backlog refers to two things. One is the product backlog and the sprint backlog. And it can be a list of features, enhancements, bug fixes, and tasks that the team works on in the future. Let us move on to question number 3. Which agile principle emphasizes working software over comprehensive documentation? So here are the agile principles taken from the Agile manifesto. Uh, the option number A, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Option number B, responding to change over following a plan. And option number C, working software over comprehensive documentation. And option number D, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Let us see the correct answer. The correct answer is working software over comprehensive documentation. So in agile projects, we believe in the agile team members or the entire agile team. They are bought into the idea of customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan, and delivering working software over comprehensive documentation, and individuals and interactions over processes and tools. So here this is a very easy question, because in the question itself, working software over comprehensive documentation is there. So straight away the correct answer is C. So it will be better, if you want to get more information about this agile principles. You can go to the website agilemanifesto.org. agilemanifesto.org. The Agile Manifesto is there, and these options are a cut and paste from the Agile Manifesto. And 12 Agile principles are also explained in detail in the agilemanifesto.org. Let us move to question number 4. In a Scrum framework, who is responsible for prioritizing the work in the product backlog? In a Scrum framework, who is responsible for prioritizing the work in the product backlog? Scrum Master, development team, project manager, and product owner. The correct answer here is the product owner. So it is the responsibility of the product owner to prioritize the work in the product backlog. He keeps refining it, he keeps prioritizing it for the subsequent sprints. So product backlog is owned by the product owner. Let us move on to the final question in this session, question number 5. What is the primary purpose of a Scrum Master in Agile? As discussed, Scrum is one of the Agile frameworks, and Scrum is the most popular among the Agile frameworks. And Scrum Master is a role within the Scrum framework. And what is the primary purpose of Scrum Master? Options: to manage the project schedule, to ensure the team follows the Scrum process, to represent the stakeholders to the team, to set the project goals and objectives. So here the correct answer is to ensure the team follows the Scrum process. So it is the responsibility of the Scrum Master to ensure that the project team members are following the Scrum process. Some more information. So these are prepared for the students doing the PMP program at pmri.in For more information, you can go to pmri.in/PMP training. Thank you very much. Soon we'll come with the next set of 5 questions. Thank you.